Hey everyone, and welcome. So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a deep dive into a piece of tech that, let's be honest, most of us probably think is a total dinosaur, the cash register. But what if I told you that this so-called relic is actually one of the smartest, most powerful tools a business can have today? Stick around, because you're going to be surprised. And I know what you're thinking. Really? A cash register manual? In a world full of slick apps and cloud everything, why on earth would we even bother looking at something that feels so old school? It's a totally fair question. But the answer, well, that's where things get really interesting. Because we're on a mission to uncover the hidden power of the modern cash register. You see, the modern electronic cash register, or ECR, it isn't just a box for making change anymore. Oh no, it's about taking back control, guaranteeing stability, and honestly, embracing a totally different way of thinking about how to run your business. All right, first things first, let's talk about the hardware itself. This isn't some consumer-grade tablet stuck in a flimsy plastic stand. No way. This thing is a fortress, and it's built to last. I mean, just look at this. You've got a heavy-duty metal cash drawer, a keyboard that can actually survive a coffee spill, which, is gonna happen, and a real physical lock with 7 different control positions. Even the connection panel is tucked away and hidden. This whole thing is designed from the ground up to take a beating in a busy shop, day after day, year after year. And check this out. This little detail says it all. The SD card slot, for getting your sales reports, it's not just sitting out in the open. It's hidden under the printer cover, totally secure from anybody trying to mess with it. It's a small thing, but it shows you the entire mindset behind this machine. Security and protection are built right in, down to the smallest detail. Okay, so it's built like a tank, but that's just the start. This fortress is also a completely self-sufficient command center. It doesn't need the internet to do its job. Think about that. And get this number, 20,000. That's how many different items, or PLUs, price lookups, it can hold in its own memory. Your whole inventory, every single product, is right there, ready to go, instantly. No lag, no spinning wheels, and absolutely no "sorry, our internet is down" moments while a customer is tapping their foot. And here's a perfect example of that offline power in action. It's for something called split pricing. When you have a deal like 3 for $1. So what happens if a customer only buys 2? Well, the register does the math itself, instantly. It doesn't have to ping a server 1,000 miles away to figure it out. All the brain power is right there on your countertop. And it's way more than just clever pricing. This thing is a full-blown business management tool that is always on. You can manage up to 99 different clerks, each with their own totals. It handles up to 4 different tax rates automatically. It even has a time clock for your employees and can force an age check for things like alcohol or tobacco. And the best part? All of this is built right in. It's not some monthly add-on you have to pay for. It's just there, ready to go, whether your internet is working or not. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about something that is so important for any business owner today, your data. I mean, think about it. Who actually owns your sales data? Who's looking at it? And maybe more importantly, who else is making money off of it? With an ECR, the answer is simple. The core of its data system is something called the electronic journal. Just imagine that old school paper receipt roll, but it's all digital now. Every sale, every transaction is saved securely right on the machine itself. It's not being beamed up to some random cloud server that you have zero control over. And we're talking about a huge amount of data. It can store 50,000 lines of transactions in its memory. That is a massive archive of your business history, locked down tight and accessible only by you. And this right here is the game changer. It looks so simple, right? A menu option. But when you go to save a report, you can choose CSV format. Do you know what that means? It means you can pop your data onto an SD card and open it in Excel or Google Sheets or any spreadsheet program. It's your data in a format you can use. There are no walls around it, no third parties peeking in, and nobody is collecting your sales information and selling it to your competition. That is pure, unadulterated control. So, this whole idea of local control leads us to the next big myth we need to bust, that these registers are just dumb calculators. Far from it. They're actually powerful little business analysts sitting right on your counter. I mean, just look at the kind of reports you can pull, literally with the turn of a key. You can get a full financial report, check in on how each of your cashiers is doing, see your sales broken down by the hour to figure out your busy times, and even get reports on your inventory. This is the exact kind of data you need to actually run your business smarter. So, and when you boil it all down, what we're really talking about here isn't just which machine to buy. It's about choosing a philosophy for your business. On one side, you've got the modern ECR. That's a one-time purchase, no endless monthly fees. It works whether the internet is up or down. Your data is yours and yours alone, and the hardware is built to last. Then you have the cloud-based systems, recurring fees every single month, totally dependent on an internet connection. And your most precious business data, it's living on someone else's computer. It's a pretty clear difference when you lay it out like that.
So it really leaves you with a final question to ask yourself. In business, what's truly your most valuable asset? Is it the latest, flashiest app? Or is it something more fundamental like rock-solid stability, privacy, and true ownership? The choice for a machine like this is a vote for stability. It's a decision that puts the power, the data, and ultimately the profits right back where they belong, in your hands. So, what's more valuable to your business?